Hello everybody, I'm Suman Raju. I'm a physiotherapist. I've been working in the profession since the past 5 years. I'm working as a vice principal in a college in Visakhapatnam called Vishakha Academy of Paramedical Sciences. Recently we've launched a magazine. It's called Physiotherapy Editorial and Academic Review. It's an internal magazine for the profession. It's circulated all across the South India for now. It is circulated to all the physiotherapy professionals and those who are in clinical practice as well as physiotherapy students. The idea basically behind starting a magazine like this is I kind of found a vacuum in our profession itself in terms of awareness as to what is happening inside India as well as outside India. We had a particular vacuum in research going on, so I basically conceptuated this idea to spread the awareness both in physiotherapy community itself and outside, and bring us all together to, for the upliftment of the profession and for the benefit of the public at large. So this is a bi-monthly magazine which is circulated across South India, as I said, and it was launched in the month of July by Honorable Minister of State for Human Resource and Development, Purandeshwari Madam, because there are a lot of issues regarding physical fitness, issues regarding general postural maintenance and other things. And she was also appreciating the magazine. We have a few columns which are relating to basically news. This is the launch of the magazine photo, and it covers basically news. It covers recent updates in development of the profession, recent updates on research and other things as it happens. It also has interviews of famous eminent personalities in India. We are also having few interviews from outside India also, and about new trends in practice going on across the world. And we have the perspective of physiotherapy in different parts of the country and different parts of the world also. Like in this particular issue we have about physical therapy, how it is practiced in China, and a brief history and things like that.